Guys, welcome back. So today we will talk about how you can retrieve videos from Firebase storage. As you can see in on the screen that there are some videos displaying on the screen. So how you can retrieve these videos from your Firebase storage using Exoplayer in Recycler View. So there are some sample videos. When I click this button, that video is playing, and as you can see that it is streaming very smoothly. And when I again click this button, then now it is paused. And when I click this one, so you can see that it is streaming very smoothly. Now there is no kind of error. So with full functions of Exoplayer, when I click this one, it is also streaming. So as you can see that it is streaming very smoothly. So today we will talk about how you can do this, how you can implement this in your Android app, how you can retrieve several videos. So let's start. So guys, for retrieving videos from Firebase storage in our Android app, first of all we have to upload some images, sample videos in our Firebase storage. So as you can see that open Firebase storage in one tab and real-time database in another tab. That's how we will do. So first of all, let's upload some videos, upload file, then desktop, and then videos, and I will choose these sample videos and then click OK. So as you can see that videos are uploading. So it will take some time. So guys, as you can see all the videos are uploaded successfully in our Firebase storage. So now what we have to do, just simply click on this any of this video, and then paste its token. So when you will click on file location, then it will show a download URL. As you can see this access token. So copy this and then come back to Firebase real-time database. So here first of all you have to click this and create a child of name video, then again one, then again. Now you have to give right title we will give video 1, and then second we will write URL of video, and then paste that token which we have copied, then write on add, then again second, then again write title, give it a name video 2, and then again we have to write URL, and then now we have to copy the URL of next video. Now click on this and then again copy its token, go back to real-time database and then paste it here, and then again add. So guys, now as you can see that I have pasted all the links, I mean videos links here, and now what we have to do is so sixth one, let me delete this, I forgot to write URL, so delete it. Now you can see that we have 5 childs. So make sure that this title of all the subchilds should be same, and URL, I mean same. So what I'm trying to say that you have to write same as it is, URL, because if you write in something different, if you write this URLs, you if you will keep the U of this URL caps lock, or this URLs U small, then it will create problem, or maybe data or videos will not retrieve properly. So make sure you write all these subchilds title and the URL same as it is looking on, as you can see on the screen. Now go back to Android Studio. Now, so first of all, I would like to talk about dependencies, that which dependencies we have to add in our Gradle build for using Exoplayer. So as you can see that this is our Gradle build. So there are some dependencies that we have to add. So I have already copied these dependencies in my notepad. You can copy this from GitHub, Google. So I will simply copy this and then go back to Android Studio and then paste it here. So as you can see that I have pasted 5 dependencies. So the main dependency of Exoplayer is the first one, now which you can see that this first dependency is the important one, and you can do just by only adding this one, but for smooth streaming of videos we have to add these 5 dependencies. So make sure the version is updated. And next dependency is the Firebase UI database. If you came first time on this channel, then you may not know about this, but you have to add this Firebase UI database dependency, because if you will not add this dependency, that no, you will not get Firebase recycler adapter in our Android app. Then after adding these dependencies, simply click on sync now. So let's see that we get any error or not. So in case if you get any error, then let me know in comment section. I will try to reply in next 24 hours. So as you can see, our Gradle build is synced successfully. There is no problem in our Android app. So let's go back to activity main.xml. So here what we have to do is we have to simply use a recycler view in which we will use exoplayer. So first of all, make our constant layout. As you can see, our root layout is constant layout, so change it to linear layout, and then give it orientation, obviously vertical, and then background, I think black. Done. I think it's fine. Then after this we will use recycler view. Simply recycler view with match parent, height match parent, and id recycler view, recycler view. So as you can see, the recycler view video, yeah. So this is our activity main.xml file is complete. Now come on main activity.java part. So here first of all we will create a new class for getter and setter methods. So first for this, click right on this and then go to new, then Java class, and we will give it a name member. So then after this, click OK. Now we have to write some strings. So write string. So here we have to write those strings that we have given in our real-time database. So as you can see that here we have used two strings, title and URL. So write the same strings in Android app. Don't change it. Don't change any spelling, because if you change the spelling, that it will create problem and videos will not retrieve. So writing way should be similar as we have written in our real-time database. Then after writing this, we have to create a empty constructor for retrieving data from Firebase. For this, write public and then member, and then simply now it's fine. Let me clear this. Now there is no error. So simply click right and then go to generate and then getter and setter methods, then control plus A and then OK. So as you can see here, our member.java class is complete. So now come back to main activity.java. So as for retrieving videos in our Android app, we have to create one more Java class which will hold our data. I mean, we will use exoplayer in that Java class. So again, create a new Java class, give it a name view holder, because it will hold our view, and then again click on OK. And when the Java class is created, so after this we have to extend this to recycler view. Simply write extends and then recycler view, then dot view holder. Now as you can see that it is showing error. So how you can solve this error? Simply click on this red bulb and create constructor matching super. As you can see, the error is gone, and after this we will, so now here we will write, sorry, view, again sorry, here we will write view, then m view. After this we will write simple exoplayer, let me correct one thing, that before creating this Java class we should create layout file. It will be better, because if we will not create layout file, then it will not show the IDs. So go to new and then again layout resource file. We will give it a name. I think row is fine, and the root element will be a card view because we will use card view, and then click OK. So here, as you can see, that our layout file is created, and now what we have to do is simply create this. After this, we will write card corner radius 2dp, and card background color Android, let it white. It's fine, I think. And now it's time for card elevation 2dp, then content padding 0dp, 0dp or 2dp, it depends on you that what you want to give, and then card compact padding, we will pass it true. So after this, we will use a frame layout with match parent, height, wrap content, and then background Android, color primary, and then padding bottom 2dp. Inside this frame layout, we will use another linear layout with match parent, height, wrap content, and orientation vertical, and padding. I don't think this we need. Inside this linear layout, we will use a text view for our title. Simply write text view, and height match parent, and height wrap content, and then we will give it id title tv, and then text size 20 sp, 20 sp, make it 15 sp, because when we talk about text size, then we use sp, we don't use dp, because dp is for other attributes. For text size we use sp, and then after text style bold, and then text color primary, and background color Android black. So I think now our text is done, and text will be title. So now our text is complete. After this, we will use exoplayer, which we have added in our Gradle. So simply write exoplayer player view. Then after this, with match parent, height, we will give it 250 dp. If it's, I think, 220 dp, that's looking good. Now 220 dp, and then id equals to exo player view, exoplayer view, and then background Android, black, and then we will use resize mode, fill, because if we don't use this mode, then what happened that if your video's length and height is smaller than our frame and the video that exoplayer's frame size, then it will shrink. So when we use resize mode, then it will not shrink. So after resize mode, we have to write layout gravity center. So done. So as you can see that our exoplayer, I mean that our layout file is complete. This is our exoplayer view. So as you can see our exoplayer, I mean our layout file row.xml is complete. Now we have to close this simply. Now next we have created our member class. We have now come back to viewholder.java. Now we will do the coding of this part. Now it will be easy because yeah, so where was now after view.mview we have to write simply simple exoplayer simple, sorry, we have to write simple exoplayer, simple exoplayer, then exoplayer, then after this we will write private player view mexoplayer, mexoplayer view. After this come inside view holder, so below this super we will write mview equals to item view, and then here we will create a method. So write public void set video, we will give it a name set video, and then public void set video, then write final application context application ctx, and after this we will write string title, again final string url, then here we will write text view m text view equals to m view. Here we are giving the reference, so write find view by id dot find view by id r dot id dot title title tv, and then here we will give exoplayer reference, so exoplayer mexoplayer view equals to again mview dot find view by id r dot id dot exoplayer view. So as you can see we have given the reference. After this we will write mtext view dot set text title, and then after this we will write try. So now what we are doing that we are using try and catch method for retrieving videos. So after writing try, then so after try we will write bandwidth meter, then bandwidth meter equals to new default bandwidth meter, dot default bandwidth meter dot builder, then again dot build, and done. So inside this builder we have to pass ctx, then the error is gone. And after this we will come, after we will write track selector. It will select the track. So I think I should type this track selector, then track selector equals to new, then default track selector. Now we will write new adapter track selection dot factory, and inside factory we will pass bandwidth meter, and then we will write exoplayer equals to simple exoplayer, then exoplayer factory dot new simple instance. Then again we will pass ctx. Don't get confused because of this, because then we will write URI, then video equals to URI dot parse. So here inside this we will pass a string that we have given in our real-time database, URL. So guys, make sure that you added this. Don't make any changes in this, because if you will make any change, then the videos will not retrieve in our Android app and it will create a problem. So after this, without wasting time, write default http data source factory. So default http data source factory, as you can see it is showing here, and then again write data source factory, then equals to new, then default data source factory, default http data source factory again, and here we will pass the string that we have created in Firebase storage video. So simply write video here. Don't make any changes guys, because if you make any changes, then videos will not retrieve an Android app and it will create problem. So follow simple steps that I'm showing. Don't do any changes. Then write extra, then we have to write extract factory, extractors factory, and then variable extractors factory equals to new, and then we will write default extractors factory, and then we will write media source, then media source equals to new extractor media source, and then here we will write video, then data source factory, extractors factory, and then null, and then again null. So now as you can see, let me close this. After writing null, now here we will write mxoplayer view dot set player exoplayer, then exoplayer dot prepare media source, and then exoplayer dot set play when ready. So we will pass it false because we are using multiple videos. So if we will pass this true, so what happened that when we run our app, then all the videos will play simultaneously, and I don't think that you want it, and it will create a problem. So set when play ready, pass it false, and then here we will write catch, then inside catch write exception e, and then here we will write log dot e view holder, view holder, then exoplayer error. In case if videos are not retrieved, then it will show this message exoplayer error, and then plus e dot to string. So our coding part is now complete. Now we have to go back to main activity.java. So guys, inside main activity.java we have to give reference for recycler view. So first of write recycler view, then m recycler view, and then we will write firebase database, and then we will write database reference, then reference. So now we have to come inside the onCreate method. Here we will give reference, right, m recycler view, m recycler view equals to find view by id, r dot id dot video recycler view video, and then again m recycler view dot set has fixed size. We will pass it true, and then we will write again m recycler view dot set layout manager, then write new, then linear layout manager because our root layout is linear, then pass this. Then after this we will write, now here we will use database equals to firebase database dot get instance, and after this we will use reference equals to database dot get reference. So here we will pass the child that we have created in our real-time database, that video child. So don't make any changes, write as it is. Then after this, now we will come outside this onCreate method, and here we will use onStart method. So control plus O, then simply type onStart, method. So as you can see that onStart method is showing here. So inside this onStart method we will write Firebase recycler adapter. So the dependency that we have added in our Gradle build, Firebase UI, so we have added for this because if you will not add this, then it will show error. So then after this we will write Firebase recycler adapter, and then inside this we will write member and view holder, Now Firebase Recycler Adapter, then equals to enter. Here we will write new Firebase Recycler Adapter. So now inside this, come here, and then we will write member dot class, then r dot layout dot row, then view holder dot class, then reference. Then we have to come inside populate view holder method. So here we will write view holder dot set video. Now get application context member dot get title, then again member dot get URL. So guys, now our coding part is almost done. So after this we have to write recycler view. We have to we have to set the adapter mRecycler view dot set adapter Firebase Recycler Adapter. Pass that string, pass that variable here. So now guys, as you can see that our coding part is complete. Now it's time to run our app. So I will wake up my virtual emulator SAM. So let me run this app and check that if there is any error. So if you get any error, then please let me know in comment section. I will try to reply in next 24 hours. So guys, it is showing an error. So let me see what it is, and I will try to solve it. Okay, so how we can solve it? Now go to file and then go to project structure and then modules, then source compatibility 1.8 and target compatibility 1.8, and then again press OK. Now our app is syncing. Hopefully now there should be no errors, and when it is successfully synced, then again run our app and see what happens. Now there should be no error, but still if you get any error, then please let me know in comment section. I will try to reply in next 24 hours. So let me see if so guys, as you can see that our app is running successfully and there is no error. All the videos are retrieved in our Android app with all functions. So as you can see that it is showing here, when I press the button play, then it is playing. Simply, as you can see that when I play the button play, it is playing. When I pause it and I can play this one. So that inside our Android app we passed set when play ready is false. If you pass it true, then what happens that when your app is running, then all the videos will run simultaneously, and I don't think it will good. So pass it false, and as you can see that I can play these videos with full controls using Exoplayer. So whenever we want to stream videos, then Exoplayer is best, because if you use video view or list view, then it may create problem, because when you that's why I will recommend you please use Exoplayer. As you can see that videos are streaming very smoothly. There is no error. You can play any video. So that's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, if you think that this video helped you, then please subscribe my channel and like this video, and please share to your programmer buddies for helping them. Thank you for watching.